Well, hi everyone. We are at Hershey's Chocolate World. We are so excited because we're going to go check out all of the Easter stuff. And right when you walk in, you have this sign, Reese's Oreo. That looks delicious. So you have Reese's Oreo cookies, and then right up here you have Reese's miniature Oreo cups. And then this is a cute little photo op right when you walk in. So we thought we would just take a ride on the free chocolate tour ride, and then we'll go check out the rest of the store and the candies. I never get tired of riding this ride. I think it's so fun, and I love this big, retro Hershey's baking chocolate mural. I think that's cool. And then it's a busy day. This is a look from above. Luckily, there's a 0-minute wait for the chocolate tour ride. So that's awesome. So that's where we are headed. And during the Easter season, they have a character, the Reester Bunny, that you can meet. And they also have a Easter breakfast where you can have breakfast with the Reester Bunny. So maybe we'll see him today. Chocolate is for everyone. Yay, that is awesome news. And if you have to wait in line, they have really cool historical facts about Hershey on the walls. And here we go, around and around with no wait. This is great. And this is the cocoa farm. This is my favorite part of the queue here. I like all this tropical music, and it's like jungle-y with the cocoa trees and stuff like that. And we're almost there. We've waited in this line before when it was totally packed, and it can get pretty long. And then here, don't forget to check out your ride photo when you get off the ride. You can view it right on those screens there. And here we are. There's the chocolate vehicles that will take us around for the factory tour.
To achieve that unique and consistent.
Oh, the roasting oven feels amazing. It feels like summertime in here.
Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
We drive the chocolate column to a horsepower steep rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency.
The chewing process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate and special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter.
So sweet!
Well, that was so fun. Now it's time to check out some milk chocolate. Look at these. This is like a little variety pack with all the characters. That's adorable. Except I don't see a price on this one yet. And here's tons of Reese's peanut butter cup bunnies. That sounds great. All the robin's eggs. Tons of them. And these are really cute mugs for $12.95. I like the little Reese's peanut butter cup guy. They're really cute. And that's a cool shirt too. And look at this. This is like protein powder. Hershey's protein whey powder. And there's creatine. And then over here is Reese's whey powder. That's pretty awesome. Rainbow mini eggs from Cadbury. I'm not a big fan of Cadbury eggs, but I like these. Are really cute. I like the rainbow colors. Lots of good stuff. And then over here they have some plant-based Reese's and Hershey's chocolate. That's pretty cool. And I love all these clothes. I think they are so cool. And then over here in the Reese's section, they have all the peanut butter eggs. Yum, these are so good. And then the little Reese's peanut butter cups, or Reese's Pieces in the carrot shape, 2 for $4. I could just like open one of them up and pour them all in my mouth in one sitting. And then here's more peanut butter eggs, peanut butter bunnies. These are super cute. And look at this. Here is the Reester Bunny stuffed animal. He's adorable. Happy Easter, everybody. I seriously love him. That is so cute. And then look at these. These are the biggest Kit Kats in the world. That's gigantic. For $19.95, you can have the biggest Kit Kat in the world. Here's gigantic Twizzlers. That's huge too. And then they have the world's largest Hershey bar also. Super huge. Look at this giant Reese's peanut butter cup. And then this has to be the world's largest Jolly Rancher. That's really cool box. I like that. And then over here they have some really neat Hershey Kisses cups and water bottles. They're really cool. Here's some toffee and caramels. I love this stuff too. I love everything in Hershey. What am I talking about for the most part? I love any kind of chocolate, especially Hershey's chocolate. It's one of my favorites. And then over here, this is cute. It's kind of like a little stuffed animal s'mores kit in a little bag that zips up. That's kind of cute. And then here's another little s'mores little thing. And then over here is Kit Kat pillows, Jolly Rancher pillows, Reese's Peanut Butter, Hershey, and there's the Hershey Kiss pillow. They're super cute. These are awesome. Jolly Ranchers and Twizzlers Loungefly backpacks. These are super cool. And the Jolly Rancher is $99.95 and Twizzlers is $79.95. They are really nice. And then over here, this is new, Harry Potter Butter Beer Kisses. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not sure if I would like these or not. I would probably have to try one to make my decision. Here's some now trending stuff. And this is Shakalicious Gummies and Shakalicious Slams. And here's Reese's Peanut Butter filled pretzels. Yum. And then here's some more of these caramels. A lot of good stuff over here. There's a lot of good stuff everywhere. What am I talking about? And then over here is some Bubble Yum stuff. And here's some Bubble Yum lollipops. It's really cute packaging. And they have the regular gum, of course. And there's some cute duck stuffed animals. Bubble Yum Original. And then here's lots of flavors of Hershey. Strawberries and cream, birthday cake Hershey bars, salted caramel, and cookies and mint. That sounds pretty good. And then look at these cute ducks. This is like a Hershey Kiss duck plush, kind of. I like the little Hershey Kiss on his head. And then this one down here is a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup duck. They're really cute. I like them. I've never seen them before. And they're $24.95. And then over here, these are cool. Bubble Yum. They're like jammy pants. And then this is a section. It's since 1973 Chocolate World. And they have some special merchandise over here celebrating that. And this is a pretty cool sweat jacket. I like that. And the price on this guy is $27.95. Not bad. And here's some milk chocolate bars, since 1973. I love the packaging. They're super cool. Here's a kids tee. They have kids shirts and adults. And this one's $17.95. I really like them. Over here, these are Pokemon Hershey Kisses. And then check this out. I like these York peppermint patty things. These are super cool. Look at all this cool stuff. I really like this York peppermint patty coffee mug. I love coffee mugs. And then here's some zero sugar peppermint patties and some cappuccino mix. I bet that's pretty good. And then here's a variety pack. Reese's and Kit Kats in the heart shapes. A lot of good stuff. Mini hearts and raspberry cream Kit Kat hearts. And then down here, this is Reese's Red Velvet. That's interesting. And of course, they have the food court, and they do have some seasonal treats and drinks and stuff like that in here. And then down this way, they have the character meet and greets. And the Kit Kat character is here now. And this is the schedule of the character meet and greet times. And Mr. Kit Kat looks like he is having a blast, celebrating spring. He's probably so excited for spring, just like we all are, right? Yay Kit Kats and yay spring. Right next to the characters, they have this huge wall of Easter merchandise. And here's the Easter Bunny t-shirt. That is adorable. I love this t-shirt. And then they have all the candies. We saw most of them over on the other side, but there's the Easter Bunny stuffed animal, and here's another adult-size Easter Bunny tee. Super cute. And then over here, they have their milkshakes. And here's a look at some of their special milkshakes up here. So they have some seasonal ones, and then they have the regular ones too. They all look so good. And then the screen changes to reveal the other flavors. And then over in this section, this is so cute with these big giant spring flowers. That's a super cute photo op. And then right next to it, they have assorted Easter candy, bags of candy. So they have like the chocolate eggs, Hershey Kisses, Robin eggs, stuff like that. And you can get 5 for $25. And here's just another view of this area where you can get your photos by these flowers. And there's more candies as you go around the flowers. It's filled with lots of good Easter candy, some t-shirts. And here's the back side of that wall with Easter bunnies, chocolate Easter bunnies, peanut butter Easter bunnies. So many good things. And this is neat. Over in this tropical section, which is kind of like in the middle here, they have these cocoa trees. And look, here's some cocoa pods growing. So that is super cool. And here's some other ones way up here. They're orangish. I'll try to zoom in a little bit better. There they are. And these are cocoa pods. So there's like cocoa trees growing right in the middle of Chocolate World. And then over here, this is a really cool Easter display. Here's the Easter Bunny plush. And then they have all these neat Easter candies. I love this display. It's so springy. This is great. And then look at these yummy Kit Kats. Lemon crisp Kit Kats. That sounds so good. And then here's some more Reese's pieces. These are like white, but they're milk chocolate. They're yummy too. And then these are so cute. Little Easter Bunny purses for a little girl. I'm sure they would love that. My girls would have loved them when they were little. Twizzlers bunnies. Yum. And then all kinds of chocolate eggs. More chocolate eggs. More chocolate everywhere. Just great stuff everywhere you look. And here's the other side of that display. And here's a big section of lemon crisp Kit Kat products. Yum, yum. And more chocolate bunnies on this side. Sour strips. Look at this. This is a whole bunch of different flavored sour strips. And they're all laying in the hands. These are all what they look like. Let's check out what these flavors are. So this one's cotton candy, wild cherry. This is tropical mango, rainbow, strawberry, and raspberry. And then these are some cute pink Kisses sweatshirts. Here's some Hershey bars. These are for special occasions like your birthday, you're the best. Here's some more happy birthday. So they're really neat, and they're big candy bars. Here's some Milton Hershey candy bars. And then these are Hershey Land Express. I guess, I don't know, here's like a train set, Hershey Land Express. I've never seen these toys, but they're actually like really cool train sets. And then I love these Reese's Peanut Butter Cup and Hershey Bar light up wands. I think they are so cool. And then this area, if you want to create your own combination of candy. You can get one of these buckets or purchase a bag, and then you can just choose. Here's some other buckets too. These are a little bit smaller than the other ones, I think. But you can choose your bucket or bag, and then you can choose any kind of candy you want. And here we are at the checkout line, and they tempt you even in the checkout line. There's tons of candy. There's cute stuffed animals. Here's a whole bunch of gum. And then these are cool. These are Hershey Park postcards. That's a cool souvenir. And these are neat. Playing cards. Here's this cool Hershey Kiss key ring. I always like that. One of these days I might want to get that little key ring. And this was a super fun day. We didn't stop over at the bakery because the bakery was really crowded. So if you're here during the Easter season, check out the bakery because they have lots of good Easter treats over there too. But this was super fun. We hope you enjoyed this visit for Easter at Hershey's Chocolate World. So thank you so much for watching, and whatever you're doing, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.